When you create an online business, you just can't create a website and make it live and all of a sudden people are going to see you and buy your products. When it comes to online marketing, pay-per-click campaigns within Google, there is not a single recipe. You have to pivot, you have to get creative. My name is Andy Reynolds. My company is BTG Outdoor Gear. We specialize in bushcraft, emergency preparedness, and tactical gear. When you're working with pay-per-click campaigns within Google, everything's a learning phase. You make modifications and all of a sudden Google's learning again. I started doing very specific keyword searches online, and that's how I found Solutions 8. They're really managing my budget very well and constantly collaborating with me. With Google, kind of changes things up, which happens all the time. We will make changes very quickly. We'll get together on a call and we will come up with ideas to make improvements. Because with Google, you cannot be complacent. That's what I really like about Solutions 8 is they're absolutely one of my partners. In many cases where I was already looking at it and thinking, oh no, something can't be right here. Solutions 8 was already looking at it at the same time, and they would reach out to me. And I was like, wow, I'm not a number, and you're looking at my account proactively without me even reaching out. Not only could I tell that they were really interested in watching and helping my business grow, they wouldn't let their clients become a number. It hasn't been a full year yet, and we've really grown significantly because of them. I thought my last holiday season for 2020 was insane, but my results this holiday season, I am up 250% in sales. That's huge.